Okay? Ayan. So, welcome today for a very special info session. Dahil po kahapon ni-launch ang ating funnel. It is a very important tool po, no? Lalo na sa ating Live Good business. And gusto ko lang pong malaman dito po sa chat, how many of you have an idea kung ano ang sales funnel? It is very important that I have to know kasi i-relate po natin yan kung ano ang sales funnel at the same time i-connect natin doon sa bagong launch na ang tawag nito, health assessment report site. So in the chat, pwede ko po bang malaman kung you are aware of what is a sales funnel. So sa mga may idea na type 1, sa mga wala pang idea, type 2. Ayan. So para makita po natin, so we will know how to play around what is a sales funnel and bakit importante po ito sa ating business. Okay, so 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. Ayan, may 1, may 2, may 2. Ayan, so 1, 1. Ayan, so basically, familiar na po sila, pero marami pa rin nagta-type din ng 2. Ayan, okay. 2, ayan, 2, ayan, 2, ayan, 2. Okay, so at least, para po, for the benefit po, para ma-maximize natin yung ating sales funnel, which is our very important marketing tool, na hinintay natin ng ilang buwan, because I believe Ben had this announced since July, so ayaw niyang ilabas to hanggat hindi na po perfect. And the good news is maganda yung turnout kasi napakaganda po ng ating sales funnel, which is the health assessment report site. So since most of you do not have any idea about what a sales funnel is, meron po akong ginawang konting slide about it. And then later on, i-connect natin. And then after nating i-connect sa health site, gagawa tayo ng demo, actual demo, para makita nyo yung diniscuss natin about the sales funnel. Okay ba ho yun? Ayan, so allow me to share my screen. Okay. Ayan, okay. So, I just want to give you a background what a sales funnel is. So, actually, very important po ito. Ginagamit po siya as a key marketing strategy, no? Ang general information about a sales funnel is that it could bring a potential prospect or potential customer to a journey to convert them to become a buying customer. So yun ang pinaka-goal ng sales funnel. Kaya kung makikita nyo po yung shape niyan, di ba, sa Tagalog o sa Pangasinan, tawag namin dito embudo di ba? Doon sa topmost niya, wide siya. And then doon sa pinaka-bottom niya, nagna-narrow na siya. It is because ito po is, yun nga, sa umpisa, these are potential. And then later on, since it went to the 4 stages or 4 steps, yung doon sa pinaka-bottom, na-filter na and then nasusort na, conversion na ang nangyayari po dyan. Kaya ganun ang shape ng sales funnel. Because there will be stages and steps on na nangyayari doon sa sales funnel. And later on, i-connect natin when we explore or navigate yung ating health assessment report site, i-connect natin itong 4 na to, the 4 stages, which is the awareness, the interest, yung decision, and action. So saan sa health site natin dyan na part na nagkikreate ng awareness, saan sa health site natin ang nagkikreate ng interest, the decision, and the action. So this info session is made intentionally to understand the sales funnel, turning leads into loyal customers. Yan. Okay, so why a sales funnel matters? Bakit napaka-importante ang sales funnel? Kasi, 'di ba, meron yung mga iba na people are particular of a certain brand, no? And once they found out that brand, no, they will stay with it and they will stick with it, making them loyal customers. So napaka-importante po yan because in a sales funnel, you are actually trying to make the person aware of your brand, aware of the product, aware of the services na i-offer mo. No? Yeah. So have you ever wondered why some customers stay with a brand while others disappear after the first interaction? No? Kasi wala silang sales funnel, wala silang guide. Remember when Ben said that we want etong second wave na to, we want to help people, we want to guide them, sabi niya. So usually ang mga tao kasi so relating the sales funnel na sa Live Good, ang mga tao kasi they want to be healthy pero hindi nila alam kung papaano. So the sales funnel was made to educate our possible na buying customer, no? Potential customer, converting them into buying customer. So ang importance ng sales funnel is that it is a step-to-step process, step-by-step process that helps guide potential customers from the moment they become aware of your brand all the way to becoming a loyal client. So it's all about understanding, nurturing, and engaging them at every stage. So alam niyo po, in sales, napaka-importante ngayon, gone were the days na tayo ay nagiging pushy and we rely on sales talk. If you really want to have a long-lasting relationship with the customer and with your client, ang pinaka-importante doon is not selling to them, but it is guiding them. So ang sales funnel is a step-by-step process na i-guide mo sila solving their problem, especially on the health side. No? Ayan. So this approach provides a clear start, connects with the audience or the customers or your clients, and highlights the purpose of a sales funnel right from the very beginning. From here, you can smoothly transition into the stages of the funnel. So, kaya nga merong stage yan, ano? And doon sa, nakita ko doon sa my chat kanina, na-try na nila. So, more or less may idea na kayo about the stages. Kasi as we go along with the health assessment, nakita nyo na sa umpisa, they are just being aware, and then later on, nagiging engaging na, right? Until they come up with the decision and taking action. So we will be deep dive into that. Okay, so ito po yan, the health assessment site as the funnel's starting point. Okay, so yung kala-launch na health assessment site natin, nakita nyo naman po ano, dun sa my websites, dun sa mga hindi aware, makikita nyo doon yung bago, the health assessment site report. Yan. So yan yung starting point ng ating funnel. So if your journey to better health, imagine if your journey to better health is started with a quick personalized assessment that guides you to exactly what you need. Again, since ang sales funnel is a guide, a step-by-step guide, eto na yon. Okay? So, makikita nyo po ito sa inyong my websites. Unlock your personalized health assessment. It's free and could change your life. So that alone, you are making your prospect, unaware prospect, into being aware. Kaya ito pa lang, yung bungad pa lang, no, we are already starting in the first stage of the funnel. No? Ayan. Okay, so ito na yon. Itatako natin to, general stages of a sales funnel. So I hope nakita nyo yung first pinaka-top, ano, awareness. Okay, ito yung pinakauna. This is the top of the funnel where people first learn about your brand or product. Okay, marketing strategies here can include ads, blog posts, social media content, and other outreach to attract attention. So ang ginagawa ngayon ni Live Good, ginagawa ni Ben or the corporate, they are also sponsoring ads. So on top of the sales funnel, ang ginagawa nila is meron yung tinatawag na sponsor ads. At the same time, meron silang ginawang SEO, the search engine optimization. Now, once they try to look into health products or Live Good, yung algorithm is like pinapakita na sila what Live Good is. Now, dito sa awareness, ito yung pinaka first stage, no, ng funnel wherein again, yung mga potential na buying potential customers mo is you're making them know na ito yung unang-unang guide mo. This is to help you na merong way for you to educate or maybe for you na makita mo if you are having a good state of health. Ayan na. So, yan pa lang, no? Makikita mo. So, ano ngayon ang meron doon sa health site natin? Those questionnaire, di ba? So, yun pa lang, yung bungad and then the questionnaire na mag-uumpisa siya. Okay, so mamaya itatakal natin yung mga questions na yon, kung ano-ano yon, and then ma-identify nyo kaagad that that part of the health site will be the awareness part, no? Ayan. So later on, pati yung pagdidemo kung paano siya gagamitin, i-discuss po natin. Okay. So also on the ang tawag nito, on the awareness stage, no, doon sa question alone, ano yan, progressive yan, yung mga basic stage, and then later on, you will make the person more engaged, no? Yan. So when you make the person more engaged, ano yung magiging effect nun? Then they would have the interest na. Ayan. So again, doon sa first stage is bukod doon sa making them aware of your product and services, ano pa ang meron dyan? The goal is to capture the attention and build curiosity, often through the sales funnel, backed up by ads. Again, meron tayong mga sponsor ads, di ba? Very active ang Live Good sa social media. So, initial exposure ito, no? So, the first stage or the awareness stage is ano siya, it is the initial exposure that lays the foundation for moving prospects. So you are trying to move the prospects further down the funnel as they become more interested and engaged. Ayan. Okay, so ang second part natin or the second stage, no? So kasi progressive yan, no? So after the awareness, ang second stage will be the interest. No? At this stage, people are more engaged. They know about your product or maybe service. Kasi awareness sila na, okay, you are talking about health, so probably these are health products. And it is helping me guide kung ano yung kailangan ko na supplements. No, in that interest, you are trying to arouse interest in them and making them more engaging. So mas nagkakaroon sila ng interest habang tinatanong mo because of that, based on the questionnaire na ginawa ng Live Good, right? So ano ang pwedeng mangyari dito? In the end, they might sign up, or maybe they would follow your social media account, or maybe they would engage in some contents, webinars, or guides. So yun, no? So also in the interest, again, ito yung potential customers would start to show genuine curiosity. And of course, yung service mo or yung product mo, makikita nila yan. So they try to seek more information. So while they seek more information, again, engaging sila, no? And then yung mga iba siguro, nagre-research na, pwedeng gano'n, ano? And the goal of this stage is also to build their interest by providing value, no? So probably they would check the price, they would try to compare kung mas okay ba yung ino-offer mo, no? So also, bukod dun sa value ng price, it is also, it tries to address kung ano yung mga needs nila. And then of course, habang sino-showcase mo yung ini-offer mo, then it would benefit them moving more closer to a decision para bumili. So yung interest stage will move them closer to the buying stage or to a decision, no? So, ito na yan. So, from interest, it will move them closer to the buying decision. Kaya yung third stage po natin is the decision wherein prospects are considering, take note of the word, they are considering na bumili ng product but may still need convincing. No? So in here sa Live Good, this is not a convincing game. In fact, pag nakita na nila, because in this part or in this stage ng funnel, no, ang mga tao, when you say it needs a lot of convincing, magre-research pa yan. Iko-compare nila yung price because of the social media presence. Tignan nga natin kung merong mas affordable, mas magandang quality ng products na to. So, andun yung stage na yon, no? So, ito yung best time that we could, if they ask you, it is the best time that you could offer some product knowledge presentation, o yung sa ibang companies naman, usually they offer demos, they offer discounts, and then maybe they want to know about more of our company, of our product, at saka meron na ba ang nag-share or may testimonies na ba na talagang maganda yung product nyo. So it is that stage na nalalaman natin yan, no? Ayan. So, you could offer, oo, meron, may nag-share nga. Alam mo ba, meron isang affiliate dito. Meron siyang Bell's palsy because ginamit niya yung products, then very fast yung recovery niya. So, ito yung stage na yon, no? Yan. And then, dito naman, kung i-relate natin to sa health of funnel natin, ito yung dahil nga 'di ba questionnaire 'yon. Ang ginawa ni Live Good is habang lumalalim yung question sa kanya, nagkakaroon siya ngayon ng mas chine-check niya, self-check, no? Oo nga ano, parang mataas yung blood pressure ko. Oo nga ano, nag-exercise ba ako? Madalas ba akong kumain? So, ngayon chine-check mo 'yan, 'di ba? And then while you are coming up with that questionnaire, yung last part of that question, of the questionnaire is that you submit it, di ba? And then once na sinubmit mo the questionnaire na sinagutan, ano ang ginawa ni Live Good? It made a system na i-email si Doc Ryan. So once you click that part to submit, no? Merong magge-generate yan ng report basing on the category that you choose. You just want to have be healthy, gusto mong mag-build ng muscle, o gusto mong mag-lose ng weight. So merong different email si Live Good na prepare based on the category na pinili mo. Ngayon, once na clinic mo yon, so makikita nyo meron yung get the results, diba? And then afterwards, merong i-email ngayon si Live Good sa'yo, result yon ng iyong answers, no? So based on the answers na ginawa mo doon sa questionnaire, magge-generate ng report with the recommendation of Dr. Ryan Goodkin. So those recommendations, halimbawa, sasabihin niya na yung BMI mo, yung body mass index mo, ganito, ang kailangan mong i-lose na weight is ganito. So, meron siyang recommendation for you to achieve that goal. Yan. So, again, it is helping you. It is guiding you, di ba? And then, it suggested yung mga products na kailangan mo. So, on this part of the funnel, it is giving you an option, or it is helping you to decide na ano, gusto mo bang magkaroon ng goal, ipupursu mo ba yung goal mo, o ito medyo candidate ka sa ano, prone ka sa high blood pressure, o kaya natatanong din diyan kung may family history kayo ng ano, di ba? May problema sa heart or sa blood pressure. So, it is guiding you. So, dito sa decision then, it is telling you na, okay, ganito yung score mo, then, okay naman, but at least mapiprevent, ito ang recommendation ni Dr. Ryan. So, ganun siya, that part, no? And then, action. So, doon sa action part naman, ano, ayan. Oh, by the way, doon sa decision part, ito pa, ito yung part na yung customer, they are already considering it seriously. No, they're seriously considering making a purchase. Kino-consider nila. Okay? Again, hindi pa yun yung sale per se, ha. Gusto na nilang i-consider yung pagbabay, no? So, they try to usually pag nandito na tayo sa stage na yon, ini-evaluate ngayon yung mga options. Dito na yung chine-check kung okay ba yung reviews? Yan. Okay ba yung mga testimonies? Positive ba or negative? Diyan. So, andyan sila na stage ngayon. Now, ano ang good news sa atin, di ba? Unbeatable prices. Kahit na mag-Google sila, wala tayong price gouging, wala tayong overpriced products. So, we are, kumbaga, lamang na lamang at angat na angat tayo sa iba, even if they try to research on that. And then, ayan, ano pa? Dun sa stage na yan, no? The goal is sa atin na sa atin, ang part natin as the potential sponsor, kasi hindi pa naman natin sure, no, kung magbabay siya. So, the goal here is to make it easy for them to choose by offering them compelling reasons, no? Like, halimbawa, why will they want our product? Yan, so i-justify na natin yan. Because number one, we are USDA approved. Number two, we have a 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. And then, USDA approved, GMP certified. Meron tayong certificate of analysis. So it is very important na alam nyo yung business. So dito na papasok ngayon yung how depth or how in-depth you are or how deep do you know our business. So dito, tutulungan mo na silang mag-decide. So ikaw ang mag-hone or ang tawag nito, magpupursue para makapag-decide sila going to the fourth stage, which is the action, no? Ayan. So, i-emphasize din natin na remember on this part, pag medyo nakikita mo na kino-consider na nila ang bumili, you have to emphasize the value and the benefits of what we are offering. So ano ang value natin, no? Yan, affordable products, highest quality at the lowest price. Okay? So yun yung value ng products natin. And 9.95 membership lang or subscription. Pag kinumpare mo, naalala nyo, every time na nagkakaroon tayo ng business presentation, yung isang product na sa Amazon, which is the Skinny Green, is 99.95 compared doon sa 7 products natin with the same price na 99.95. So, pag andun na sila at nagtatanong, what you have to show them is, ito yung 1995 namin compared with the 99.95 namin, 7 products, compared with the 99.95 na nakita mo sa Amazon na only 1 product. And then after that, ganito ang gawin nyo. Once you give them the price, you stop talking para magkaroon sila ng time to analyze if they really want to pursue. Present mo na, you make them internalize, you make them analyze, no? So kasi kung minsan pag pushy tayo, no, the more na hindi nakakapag-decide dahil parang ang goal mo lang, we are sending the message na gusto lang akong bentahan nito. Once you tell the price, you stop talking muna and let them process yung options. Okay? And then after that, ngayon, we'll come now to the fourth stage, which is the action. So this is the bottom part of the funnel, no? Where prospects become customers by buying a purchase. So ito na yung sales. So ito na yung gusto nilang maging either customer dahil gustong itatry yung product. So pwedeng isend mo yung retail site mo, right? Member dahil gusto nila yung discount. Okay? So para sa iyo yon for your matrix income. Or pwedeng maging affiliate, which is pag nakita nila yung opportunity, then they could become an affiliate. Of course, that's another gateway for you, no? To have, it will open the gateway for you for the matching bonuses, for, yun, yung ating ways to earn, di ba? So, depende yan kung saan sila, saan sila magfo-fall, no? Either a retail customer, either a member or an affiliate member. Okay, so again, this is the bottom of the funnel where prospects become customers by making them a purchase. Sales tactics here may include limited time offers, okay? A smooth checkout process and excellent customer service. So ito yon. So ano ibig sabihin nun, no? Limited time offers. So hindi natin masasabi that our anong tawag nito? International wellness pack can be there for a lifetime. So you try to ask them, ano po ba ang report na binigay sa inyo? Are you more on the health, building muscle, or gusto nyo lang maging optimum ang health ninyo? So you help them decide. So gusto ko, ang pinili ko kasi ganitong category eh. Okay, so pwede po kayo sa International Wellness Pack. Alam nyo po, free shipping po ito. Walang charge, and then 6 products na po yan. But we are not sure kung available po ito for a lifetime. So what are you saying? You are trying to say you are helping them to guide in the most possible way to get the price ng mga, to get the products at the most affordable price, but you are also saying indirectly na limited siya. So we are now using the law of scarcity. Pag sinabi mong law of scarcity, ito yung you are creating an urgency na, well, you could buy now habang free yung shipping. Kasi right now, it is free shipping worldwide, pero actually hindi namin alam kung ano to, for lifetime ito na free shipping. So that is how you say it. We call it the law of scarcity, na limited lang siya, and then hindi ka indirectly, hindi ka nagiging pushy, but then you are making them decide urgent. So ano ang meron yan when you are helping them decide urgent? Then that's sales, right? So it's either kung naging customer siya, meron kang retail commission. Kung naging member siya, since we don't earn from the, we could earn from the first purchase pala, no? Yung customer acquisition bonus. Or pwede din na maging member siya, encourage them na, why not become an affiliate para may business ka on the side? Para later on, habang gumagamit ka ng products, and when you build your team, later on, yung commissions mo pala or your earnings mo, yun na yung pambili mo ng products. So, hindi nanggagaling na sa bulsa mo. Okay? So, if you have to analyze, yung ating sales funnel is very powerful and amazing because hindi natin kailangang very hard mag-sales talk, no? So we won't be selling hard. The sales funnel will do its job, di ba? Ngayon, but kailangan pa rin ang guidance mo kasi in the event na may itatanong siya, dapat alam mo ang isasagot mo, right? Ayan, okay. So, ayan, are you loving the discussion today? Are you being informed doon sa sales funnel? Mas na-appreciate nyo ba yung sales funnel ngayon na nila-launch, no? Na nilaunch kahapon, no? Ayan, kasi most of some members do not appreciate this, not because hindi talaga nila na-appreciate, but because hindi nila alam kung ano yung relevance nun. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung value. That is why we want to show you, we want to inform you na ito ang value, and more value sa ating membership for only $9.95 per month na subscription. Diba? Ayan, okay. So may I see in the chat yung inyong mga comments. Okay, yan. Coach Bernabe, yan, thank you. Yes, sabi ni Sir Pedi, I'm too much appreciated sa sales funnel. Ayan, Sir Chris, yes po, Coach Janet. Highly appreciated free health assessment. Ayan, okay. So, again, ayan, ayan. So again, itong ating sales funnel is very powerful kasi we are guiding them. Remember na sa ganitong industriya, it is not all about selling, it is not all about the sales, but it is all about the after sales. And when you speak of after sales, we are talking about after service, we are talking about building relationship, we are talking about building trust. Pag nakita ng iyong prospect or customer na you are guiding them, then may nagkakaroon yan ng conversion to become a loyal customer. Probably not only a loyal customer, pwedeng maging makasama mo sila sa team mo. So what are we doing? So when we build that relationship, ang nangyayari is dahil ginaguide mo sila, mas nagiging intact yung trust. So habang ginaguide mo sila, mas lumalalim, and whatever you would say, they trust you. So when you say that, okay, ngayon sa building time naman tayo, we have to build our team now. Since nasubukan mo na yung product, maganda, let us share it. Let's build the team. Dito tayo mag-focus ngayon sa compensation plan. So that is what trust can do, no? Remember that in this kind of industry, what we have here is building relationship. It is a relationship building business. And you can only build rapport, you can only build relationship kung merong tiwala sa'yo yung tao. And if you are guiding them, they know that you care. And remember that people do not care how much you know, kahit na gaano kalalim ang alam mo, until they know how much you care. People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. So pag nakikita nila na binavalue mo sila, pag nakikita nila that you care more dahil gusto mo silang tulungan sa health issue nila, or probably dahil gusto nilang magkanegosyo, then you will get the same, no? Yan, what you give, it will come back to you, no? So kaya nga very important, no? I just posted, actually, sabi ko, the greatest hack of all times is being generous of your energy. So wag mong ipagdamot yon. If you feel that you want to help people, then this is the right place at the right time na gawin mo yon. And ito, by using the funnel, you are trying to show that you want to help. You are trying to show na, pag ginamit mo yung health, uy, i-check nga natin yung health mo. Are you sure you are healthy? Gusto mong i-check? Meron kaming free health assessment site. I-check mo lang. Baka meron kang mga health issues or health concern. Pero no obligation. I-check lang natin. At least kung wala kang time, wala kang pera na magpa-consult, at least you know the status of your health. Diba? And people will value you for that. And people will love you more for that dahil nakikita nila that you care. Diba? Ayan. So, agree, sabi ni Ma'am Ruth Tameses. And then, sabi ni Coach Bernabe, pwedeng gamitin sa email marketing yan. Ganyan ang nakita ko. Yes, of course. Actually, yun eh. Dadaanan natin yan mamaya. Actually, meron po. Nasa 4th slide lang po tayo. Meron yan. Conversion ang tawag dyan, Coach Bernabe. You could use it. Ito na yon. So, ano actually ang nagagawa ng funnel as a whole, no? Number 1, it generates leads. Ngayon, makikita nyo, dun sa mga nakasubok na at ipinasa mo yung link na yon, like probably your classmate, your friend, and clinic niya yung health assessment site natin. So, makikita nyo siya saan? Sa My Referrals. Para siyang pre-enrollee. Pero ang nakalagay doon, since ang nilagay mo is the health assessment site mo, makikita nyo ang status nila ang status nila nasa retail customer. So, they are actually your leads, no? Leads, yung nasa pipeline mo. Pwedeng bibili ngayon or pwedeng in the future. So, nabibuild mo na ngayon yung follow-up list mo. Yun. So, ito yon. Ang sales funnel can do what? Number 1, it generates leads by attracting potential customers. A sales funnel fills the pipeline, ito yung sinasabi ko, fills the pipeline with people who might become buyers. Okay? And number 2, it nurtures prospects. So by delivering relevant content and offers at each stage, it helps build relationship and trust. Ayan, nauna ko nang nabanggit yan kanina. So yan ang kayang gawin ng sales funnel. So you are trying to approach in a more personalized way. And remember, alam nyo kung ganyan, alam nyo ba, ang tao, people don't buy the product People buy out of emotions. 'Di ba? Like halimbawa, example na lang ito, pag nakita nila na, naku, oo nga, kailangan ko pala mag-exercise, overweight ako, so I have to do something, or else ganito pala ang mangyayari. So that is out, you are trying to feel na kailangan pala, and that emotion na, naku, kailangan pala, would drive you to buy that product dahil mas nakikita mo na ngayon ang value. Kasi, pati ito, yung sa value, di ba kung minsan, bakit mas gusto ng tao na bumili ng isang mamahaling bag over sa isang product na kailangan niya sa supplement? Dahil tingin niya, valuable yung bag na yon. Bakit? Sa kanya, malaking bagay ang pagkakaroon ng status symbol, di ba? Ano ba ang value pag mahal ang bag mo? Status, di ba? So, hindi nila ma-appreciate yon kasi sa kanila, sa emotion nila, mas priority nila na magkaroon sila ng status. Now, i-relate uli natin to sa health assessment report. Pag sila mismo ang sumagot niyan, yung questionnaire, mas nagiging personal yun sa kanila. Sinasagot nila yon out of their emotions. Sinasagot nila yon dahil yun ang condition nila. So hindi nila sinasabi na once they come up with the report na ibinigay ni Doc Ryan, hindi nila sasabihin na ikaw na sponsor, sinisales talk mo lang ako. Dahil nanggaling yung report based dun sa answer nila. And saan nanggaling yung answer nila? From them. And later on, it would cause an emotion na, naku, kailangan ko na palang magpapit or else magkakasakit ako. Ako pa naman ang breadwinner. Kawawa naman yung mga anak ko. So, sila ngayon ang nagdi-decide talaga para sa sarili nila. Hindi ikaw. And they will be more appreciative kasi, uy, thank you ha, Miss Pinky, dahil dito sinabi mo sa akin, mas nai-enlighten ako na kailangan ko pala talagang mag-lose ng weight. Kailangan ko pa talagang asikasuhin yung heart ko kasi daw medyo nasa borderline ako. O, di ba? So, yan ang kayang gawin ng ating sales funnel. Di ba? Very powerful, very amazing yung tool na to. Ayan. O, di ba? Na-appreciate nyo na ngayon. Okay. I tell you, kaya nga gustong-gusto kong i-share ito para mas makita nyo ng malayuan, ng malalim kung anong kayang gawin ng sales funnel ng Live Good, no? Ayan. Number 3, it increases conversions. So, ang funnel pala could increase conversions. Paano? Ayan. So, yung leads mo, no? Ayan, the funnel structure helps increase the chances that leads will ultimately process by addressing their needs and objections step by step. So, unti-unti, dahil sila ang sumasagot sa questionnaire na yon, nalilesen yung objection as compared pag ikaw ang pumunta, ikaw ang kumausap sa kanila na, alam mo, nagyoyosi ka, kailangan mo ng ng ganito, amplifiers kasi nakakakos yan ng depletion ng electrolytes, and you think people will buy? No, kasi parang you are commanding them. Unlike pag sila mismo ang sumagot at tinanong, ba, are you smoking? Yes, nako, masama pala. So, hindi offensive yon. Unlike pag kinakausap mo sila, di ba? So, ultimately, sila mismo talaga magsasabi na kailangan ko nang bumili nito. Hindi dahil sinabi mo, but because of the guided questionnaire, of their answers doon sa questionnaire, di ba? Ayan. So, pati yung objections nila na, hindi ko kailangan yan. Ang mahal-mahal yan. Hindi ko kailangan yan. Gusto mo lang, bentahan ako. So, nawawala na yung mga objections na yon, no? Ayan. Okay. So, ano pa ang nagagawa ng funnel? It provides insights. Tracking the funnel's performance helps business see where prospect drop off and what can it be improved. So dito, basing on their answers, tayo ng mga you could say that we are business owners, we are business operators, alam natin kung bakit nagda-drop off yung ating mga prospects. Ano ba? May mali ba sa product natin? Or may kulang ba na ingredient? Hindi nag-work sa kanila? Anong problema dito? So makikita mo na ngayon. So it could also provide, the sales funnel could also provide insights and maa-analyze natin kung ano yung pwedeng maging challenge ng prospect. In turn, pag na-analyze mo yon, we could suggest sa ating probably formulator, we could suggest sa ating support. So we are also helping them dahil mas personalized tayo nakikipag-transact sa mga prospect natin. Again, ang sales funnel is very personalized. Di ba? Ayan. So, alam natin na ano ba ang kayang i-improve, kailangan bang i-reformulate. So nakita nyo yung ating ano yan, instant eraser, yung instant youth, di ba? So, pag ginamit yun kuminsan, nagkakaroon siya ng, anong tawag mo doon? Pag nasobrahan mo, no, medyo, ano yun eh, mahapde, at saka nagkakaroon ng white dito, may residue. So, anong ginawa doon? Siguro may feedback yon. Actually, nag-feedback din ako kay Doc Ryan about that. Ang ginawa nila, ni-reformulate nila. Remember, sabi nila, dun sa 4 products ng ating skincare, in-upgrade nila, ni-reformulate nila yung instant youth, yung instant eraser. And sabi nila, ngayon, hindi na siya nagli-leave ng residue. Ngayon, it's even better. So, dito yon papalo sa provides insight. Kasi, dito mo malalaman, maririnig, yung mga feedbacks ng customer about our products. And when we have these feedbacks, then we could say to support. So, ang Live Good naman, or the corporate team, is very much flexible. Nag-a-adjust siya, depende sa needs ng mga distributors. The good thing about our company, Live Good, is that they listen to the affiliates. In fact, they even encourage na, magkaroon ng feedback, no? Or even anong product ang gusto nyong i-formulate namin. They listen to that, no? Ayan. Okay. So, ayan. Ano pa ang meron sa sales funnel? Well, you have to know the FAB, the features, the advantages, and the benefits of the funnels. Magkakaiba po yan. In sales, lahat yan, kahit in business, I mean, kahit sa telecommunication industry, sa hotel industry, meron lagi yan. The features, the advantages, and the benefits. No? Sa sales funnel, ano ang feature ng sales funnel? Okay, ang fini-feature niya ang lead capture. It collects contact info from potential customers, automated follow-up. It sends timely messages to keep leads engaged. So nakita nyo, again, dun sa mga sumubok ng mga health assessment report, at the end ng questionnaire, di ba tinatanong kung saan i-email? Pangalan nyo po, email address nyo. So nagbi-build yun ngayon ng data, right? Paving the way for follow-ups. Again, pipeline. Yun ang features niya. Ngayon, in a more personal way, ang personalization niyan is it customizes messages based on customer's action. So, since meron ka ng data, you could just email them back. Di ba nakikita doon sa my referrals mo, andun yung email address. So, once na nakita mo yon, what are you going to do? You try to email a very short personal message. Sasabihin mo, hi, I'm Janet. I saw you took the health assessment report in my website, and I want to help you out. If there are any questions about the result, let me know and I could help you out. If you want to purchase the product, I could help you out. So, yun, you could also help with that, no? Yan. Ngayon, in the features, ito yun. Meron tayong tinatawag na tracking. You monitor how people move through the funnel. Ang conversion points niyan is that it uses call to action and checkout to encourage purchases. So pwedeng, kumusta na ma'am? Are you okay with the result? So do I need to help you? Do you want to purchase? Or will you leave it? So bibigyan mo sila ng option. But the good thing is matatrack mo sila, no? On how they will navigate doon sa result or doon sa binigay na report. Yan, okay. And of course, makikita mo that we could have the target audience. Ayan. Ayan. So, punta naman tayo sa advantages ng sales funnel. So, tapos na tayo sa feature, lead captures, no? Personalization. Okay, sa advantages naman, ano ang advantage ng pagkakaroon ng sales funnel as a marketing strategy? It saves time. It automates repetitive tasks. So, bakit it saves time? Hindi ka na makulit, hindi mo na ifa-follow up. Kasi, pag natapos nila yung questionnaire, hindi na nila tatanungin sa'yo na, alam mo, ganito yung issue ko. Ano ba maganda para sa high blood pressure? Ano ba maganda sa heart ko? Kasi irregular ang beating ng heart ko. May arrhythmia ako. So, it saves time dahil hindi ka na magre-research, hindi mo na tatanungin yung upline, or probably i-email si Lisa na, I have a client and she is asking about this. Siyempre, you want to get valid answers. But since binigay na yung report, meron ng recommendation si Dr. Ryan Goodkin, who is a certified pharmacist, di ba? At saka yung formulator natin, it saves you time. Nawawala na yan. So, when you save time, very convenient kasi instead of being stuck with one client or one prospect, nakakapag-wide ka ngayon. So, it makes our lives easier. Diba? Ayan. So, dapat ma-appreciate niya how powerful it is. So, gone were the days na talagang, oh, ma'am, bibili ka na? Ipa-follow up kita, mama, bumili ka nung last month. Ngayon, siguro, ganun na lang ang gagawin mo. I-remind mo sila. Pero yung magtatanong sila, back and forth, okay, so, may maintenance ba kayo, ma'am? Kasi tinatanong ni Lisa, may maintenance kayo. So, ganon. Nawawala na yung ganon na mga back and forth na question and answer dahil meron ng report si Dr. Ryan Goodkin, di ba? Ayan, and also another advantage ng ating sales funnel, it improves conversion. It guides people step by step to buy. Ayan, nakita nyo na. Present ko na yan, no? Ayan, so yan ang advantage as a whole, no? And number 3, it grows with your business. Easily expands as you scale. So habang nag-i-scale ka, paano ka nag-i-expand? You grow more customers. And when you grow more customers, saan sila papasok sa tingin nyo? You could have the retail commission or saan sila papasok? Sa matrix, di ba? And kahit 25 cents yan, it's okay. Kasi nakita nyo yung pinakita ko about the Live Good effect. Ang Live Good effect, ang sabi niya is, we are on our way that in the coming years, we will be building ilang million? 20, 30, 40 million, in 10 years, 100 million. So this marketing tool is really very powerful na it would really be easier for us and it will be known to the world. Ngayon, pag sinend mo yung marketing tool, yung health assessment site na yan, hindi ka din nagmumukhang directly recruiter. Nawawala ngayon yung tingin ng tao sa'yo, ako, bebentahan lang ako nito. Diba? Dahil your script with the auntie, o kung auntie mo, okay ba yung health mo? Ano ka nga, i-check nga natin kung anong lalabas sa report mo. Di ba? And they will be in your pipeline. Okay. So, habang nag-expand ka, you scale, scalability, expansion, consistent sales. So, pag may scalability, nagkakaroon ka ng consistent sales. Why? Because pag nakita nila na maganda yung product, nag-work sa kanila, merong repeat purchase. So, may repetitive purchase. So, pag merong repeat purchase, ano nangyayari? Meron kang consistent sales. Ngayon, i-address mo, ma'am, gusto mo ba ate, malibre yung product mo? Nako, just share this. Maganda yung product, di ba? Kung minsan hindi sinasabi, it triggers the word of mouth marketing na, di ba pag na-excite ka, halimbawa, kahit na sa restaurant, di ba? Ang gagawin mo is, uy, kain tayo dito, masarap. In the same way, na ganun din sa Live Good, pag nasubukan nila na, alam mo, ang ganda ng factor 4 talaga. And then when you have a friend who's suffering the same thing as you do, anong sasabihin mo? Unknowingly, hindi ka nagsisales talk? Unconsciously, sinasabi mo na, alam mo, nagamit ko talaga itong Live Good product. Ang ganda sa akin ng factor 4. Hindi ka nag-hype nun dahil nagamit mo siya. So, those customers na nakasubok will share And then, pag nag-share yun, ikaw ay sponsor. Alam mo, ma'am, sayang, share ka ng share, mag-affiliate ka na lang kaya. Kasi habang nagtutok ka, habang ginagamit mo yung, utilize mo yung word of mouth marketing, may $25 ka. Pag naka-apat ka, may $100 ka. Naku, pwede ka nang bumili ng health, ng International Wellness Pack. Libre na yung product mo. Diba? So you could play it around. Diba? Ayan. So it grows with your business. It expands as you scale, consistent sales, and it helps predict future income. So kung loyal customers na yan, alam mo na na, oh, every month bumibili ito kasi good for 30 days siya. So bibili na to next month. Yeah? Yan ang advantage ng funnel. Yes, upselling. That's right. Okay. Ayan, sabi ni Coach Bernabe, yes, powerful talaga. Nag-start na akong aralin ito. Ayan. Ito, tama yun. Baby Sister Faith, upselling. Dito na papasok ngayon yung ating pag-upsell. Right, okay. So it doesn't start with the, it could start with, halimbawa, Super Reds. Oh, ito, Super Reds would complement factor 4, it could complement your multivitamin kasi maganda din to for overall or overall well-being. Ayan, dito ka na mag-a-upsell ngayon. Okay, that's right. And ito, so tapos na tayo sa features ng funnel, advantages ng isang sales funnel, and then benefits. Okay, ano ang benefits ng pagkakaroon ng funnel? It would be easier for you to follow up. Bakit? Dahil nasa pipeline mo na sila. Andun na sila sa my referral mo eh. Now, the benefits also, in short, is a sales funnel turns potential customers into buyers in a structured, efficient way, helping business grow more predictably. Dahil nga, yung mga nag-take action doon sa site mo, di ba? Nasa pipeline mo na, pwede mo silang i-follow up later on. O ma'am, kumusta na? Are you okay with your health? Or do you need the products? Ayan. Or maybe, pwedeng sila yung mag-reach out. Pwede yung sasabihin nila na, wala pa akong budget ngayon. Maybe next month, pwede mong i-check. Di ba? Sila. And of course, you qualify leads. Bakit? Kina-qualify natin yung leads nila. Hindi lang basta tira tayo ng tira na gusto mong lahat prospect yan. Pero alam naman natin na hindi lahat ng prospect natin ay magka-qualify na makakasama natin sa business natin. Ngayon, with the sales funnel, dahil they took time to answer the questions, so mas quality and then mas qualifier sila as leads. Meaning, ito yung mga taong hinahanap mo. Kasi mahaba yung questionnaire, di ba? So, pag wala sila, pag hindi sila natapos hanggang end at hindi mo nakita sa referral, then probably hindi sila pwedeng maging qualifier. Ngayon, pag natapos nila at nasubmit yung report at pumunta doon sa, or nakita mo yung name nila sa yung my referrals, then you could say na, oh, qualifier ito. So, you could say na talagang in percentage, mas malaki ang chance na ma-close mo siya. Probably not today, but in the future. Again, they will be in your pipeline. Okay? And then they would have a better customer experience dahil nga ginaid mo sila. Ginaid natin sila through that website that we have dahil nakalagay dun yung pangalan mo. It could increase sales and it provides useful data. So, hindi ibibigay nila doon yung possible na yung totoong name nila and then very useful yung data nila kasi sila nga ang sumagot ng questionnaire. So, hindi naman nila pwedeng i-fake yun dahil personalized di ba? Kung i-fake nila yun at ang gusto nilang malaman is to know the real status of their health, then it's their loss, not you as a sponsor. They have to be truthful, they have to be honest sa pagsagot ng questionnaire for them to get a valid answer, for them to get a valid, some valid recommendations and suggestions from Coach Ryan, from Dr. Ryan Goodkin. Diba? Ayan. Okay, so I'm almost done. 11 slides na to, no? Okay, so before, dapat last ito no? Ayan. So, meron ba kayong questions sa ating discussion ngayon? Do you need any clarification or any reaction or any comments sa ating discussion ngayon? Are you learning? I hope you are learning po, ano? So, sana mas nabavalue nyo ngayon yung ating discussion. Na-enlighten po ba kayo sa ating, ating sales funnel na kala-launch? Hook at, yeah. So, ayan. Okay, so ito napakahalaga din, no, that you have to make a hook and call to action. Yan, para mas alam nila paano i-market yung funnel. Okay, so kung gusto nyong, how do you market yung funnel natin? Okay, pwede mong sabihin na, ano ba ilalagay ko para maging catchy? So you try to make a hook. How is the status of your health? So that is your hook. Are you in a good health or in a good state of health? If you are not sure, then try to come to my link. It's a free health assessment site that could help you know the status of your health. Yan. Okay. So, yun yun. Then, ilalagay mo yung site mo. No? Very powerful yung hook na tinatawag. I'm pretty sure lahat kayo dito, or most of you aware yan, no? Yung hook, the body, and the call to action. Okay, so yung body parang yun na yung yun ang health assessment, and then yung call to action mo is you may join us in this for you to be able to optimize your health. Okay, or you could call me, okay, message me. So yun na yung ating mga call to action. Okay, ayan. Malaking tulong po ang free health assessment sa atin to promote live good and help others and educate them. Exactly. Yun po talaga ang intention ni Ben, is to educate. Ayan. Okay, so I'm learning. Ayan, thank you po. Ayan, nag-start na po ako. And then sabi ni Ma'am Han, amazing live good, binigay na 95%. We must do our part. Yeah, 5% portion of responsibility to obtain success. Tama, halos spoon feeding na nga eh. But then, of course, we have to take our part din, no? Hindi pwedeng lahat. Pero kung napapansin nyo, I mean, si Ben, he really true to his word. It's really true to his word. Sabi niya, I remember nung sinabi niya, when this funnel comes out, marketing will be easier. And it's true, no? Hindi ka nagmumukhang nagbebenta, no? Yan. Okay. Yan. And of course, ayan, maraming magagaling dyan sa yes, Miss Grace, no? USP, unique selling prepositions. Dapat unique ang pag-introduce sa product, no? So, ang gagaling nyo, I am seeing a lot of you how you promote the products. The main thing is laging ang po natin is that you try to be on a conversation na you are there to guide them. You are there to help them. You are there to solve their problems. Dapat laging ganun ang pinapakita nating message. With that, you are building also a good posture that you are always being helpful and being open, and deserve mo na maging sponsor nila. 'Di ba? Ayan. Okay, so yan. Siguro dun sa sales funnel, wala nang question. Wala po ba? Ayan. So, at this point, magde-demo na po tayo, no? So, since alam nyo na kung ano ang funnel, ano ang relevance niya, ano nagagawa niya, i-connect na natin ngayon doon sa ating health sales report. Okay? Ayan. So, pwede ko bang na-share ko na ang aking funnel sa page at FB ko, hoping may access sa kanilang health and be a live good family. Ayan. So makikita nyo po, ma'am, na nag-access sila kasi lalabas po dun sa back office ninyo, dun sa my referrals. So lahat ng nag-take ng action, or lahat ng sumagot ng questions until the end at nag-submit at nagkaroon ng report, makikita nyo sila doon with their email address, with their name and email address, no? So, syempre, yung report, hindi nila ibibigay sa inyo kasi that is for confidential purposes. Meron tinatawag na confidentiality. So, para lang yun doon sa nag-take ng health assessment. Okay? So, wala ho kayong matatanggap. Unless na gustong i-share nung iyong pinagpadalan ng result niya, then mag-guide mo siya. Dahil magtatanong siya na, oh, magkano ba to? Ipo-purchase ko ba? Yan. Okay, so with that, tapos na po tayo. Ngayon, mag-actual demo na lang po tayo, no? So, pwede ko ba malaman kung meron akong nag-take ng health assessment sa kanyang sarili? Unang-una, ito lang po ang gusto ko ding ipaalala. Before nyo po i-send yung health assessment report po ninyo, sana kayo po muna ang mauna para in the event na may question sila, alam nyo kung ano yung tinatanong ng prospect nyo o yung prospective customer. So, ayan, ako po, 56 po ang aking average health. Ayan, okay, yes po, na-try ko na po. See? Ano po ang feedback nyo? Napakaganda ba? Does it help you? Kung kunwari kayo, assuming na hindi kayo member or affiliate ng LiveGood, will you appreciate yung ating health assessment site? Ako po 63. Nakatry po ako. Ayan, 46. Nako, 46 ang result, no? Uy, may 61 results ko, coach. Ayan. Ayan, super ganda ang lupit. Magaganda po at mapapabili ka talaga. You see, kayo na. Kaya iba pag nasubukan mo talaga yung health assessment, kaya ang advice ko po, kayo muna ang mauna, i-assess niyo yung sarili niyo. Baka pati po kayo kulang sa mga products na ginagamit. Remember that you should also be the walking product of the product. Walking LiveGood, no? Walking product of LiveGood. Hindi yung sinasabi na, na-try mo na ba tong Super Reds? Hindi pa ako bumili niyan eh. So paano maniniwala yung tao sa'yo, di ba? And worse, kung hindi mo sinubukan yung health assessment report, mas lalong wala kang maisasagot. So what kind of posture are you creating doon sa pinoprospect mo? Right? Paano mo siya maiko-close kung ikaw mismo hindi pa nakabili or not even hindi mo tinake yung questions, di ba? Yan, need ko po kasing isend sa mga members ko na wala sa Zoom. Ano po yun? Okay. Yes, me 68, maganda po siya kasi malalaman mo kung gaano ka-healthy at mag-guide ka kung paano alagaan ang self mo, at least may idea ka. Remember yung sinasabi pa niya, di ba merong 7 pillars of health, di ba nakalagay doon? So imagine yun, kung internalize nyo, napakaganda ng funnel natin and we are getting it for free kasama sa 9.95. With that alone, hahanapin mo pa ba ang fulfillment center yung mabigyan ka ng gano'ng kagandang report na sa ibang company binabayaran niya ng 100. Pag simpleng funnel, $100. Pag comprehensive, 300 or even more. Yan. So, dapat i-value po natin yan. Nag-health assessment ako, coach. Ay, sayang. Dapat sinubukan natin. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Coach Vicky, yes, ni-record ko po siya. Ayan, nag-try nga din akong mag-order. Yeah, nag-try ka kasi after ng recommendation, meron nang i-click ka, di ba? And then, pag hindi ka member, nakakatuwa doon, pag clinic mo, automatic yung 995. Ibig sabihin, okay, yung first month membership mo, yun yung nakakatuwa dun eh. Pag hindi ka member, i-ex mo lang yun. Pero, I'm sorry, pag member ka na, at lumabas yung 9.95, I think naka-default yun eh, di ba? Tanggalin mo lang yun, i-ex mo. So, pag customer, automatic siyang magme-member pag nag-check out siya unless na i-ex niya. Gusto lang niyang maging retail customer, makikita din yung presyo na, bakit gano'n? Nung in-ex ko yung 9.95, bakit tumaas yung product? O, di ba? So, ang gagawin mo, idadagdag mo uli yung membership na 9.95. O, di ba? Naka-default. Ayan. Based on your responses, your health score, sabi ni Ma'am Ruth Tameses, based on your responses, your health score is a 58. This is a good. Ayan, okay. So, are you excited? I-ano lang natin doon sa mga hindi pa nakasubok. I-type nyo nga yung mga hindi pa sumubok doon sa 2,430 na andito. Sino pa ho ang hindi nakasubok sa health assessment site natin, no? Ayan. Thank you, Ma'am Pinky. Grabe. Yes, sabi ni Ma'am Ruth. Ayan. Okay, I'm too much appreciated. Ayan. Okay. Me, not yet, sabi ni Ma'am Caridad. Nay, ako po. Try ko po later, sabi ni Coach Vicky. Ako, sabi ni Ma'am Raqueline Artesano. Ayan, ako, hindi pa coach. Sabi na, aha, ikaw Coach Rosa, gawin mo na. Papaluin kita. Ayan, done. Okay, so kung hindi pa kayo tapos, ito, wag ho kayong matakot ha, questionnaire lang yan. I-share ko po sa inyo. Mag-share po ulit tayo. Tignan ko nga. Ay, teka. Hanapin ko yung... Okay. Okay, so ito, i-share ko to. Ito yung sa aking Anakis, no? So, syempre, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, mag-login kayo and then go to your, ito, my website. Ay, nakikita po ba o hindi? Ay, hindi ko pa pala na-share, sorry. Ayan. Okay, so demo na tayo ngayon, actual, para mas makita po ng mga hindi pa. Ayan, okay. Okay, so nakakita na ho ba yung sa screen? Ano po kung nakikita? Me, haven't tried pa po, sabi ni Sir Benedict. Ayan. Okay. Oo, pogi ako ngayon, no? Ma'am Josie, yan, nakikita na po. Okay, game na. So, magla-login po kayo. This is my son's back office. Hindi pa siya nag-take din eh. So, pupunta kayo sa my websites, right? Yan, dito. Okay, pag pinindot mo yung my website, yan, di ba? So, andyan yung Live Good site mo, andyan yung Power Landing page mo, scroll down ka lang hanggang sa makita mo itong My Free Health Report site. Ito yon. So, ito ang link ninyo. Okay, so andyan yung website and then your username. Okay, so pinapakita niyan. Once na-clinic nyo yan, anong lalabas? Okay, unlock. Ayan, nandyan yung website natin. Welcome to Hans Francis Paraga. So, ito yung may-ari ng website. My free health report. So, susubukan nyo. Kayo lang muna. Okay? Ngayon, take the free questionnaire. Basahin mo to. Unlock your personalized health assessment. It's free and could change your life. Ano sabi nito? Discover exactly what your body needs with a quick and easy health assessment. Take the first step towards a healthier, happier you today. So, ito na yung awareness, no? Ito na yung awareness. It's making you aware of your brand or probably your service. What is your service? This site is your service. Meron kang free health assessment. So, ito na yung first stage ng funnel, which is being aware, the awareness, yung sa pinaka-top most. Kung ma-recall nyo kanina, no? Now, i-click mo yon, take the free questionnaire. Ito na. First question, what is your immediate health goal? Ano ba ang goal mo? Gusto mong mag-lose ng body fat? Gusto mong mag-build ng muscle? Or gusto mo lang na maging healthy? Okay, so yung anak ko kasi gustong mag-build ng muscle. Okay, so i-click natin to, build lean muscle. And then after, are you a male or female? I-click mo itong male. Pag lalaki, dalawa lang ang choice dyan. Male or female. Okay. Ano ang age range mo? So, saang category ka nagpo-fall? Halimbawa, nasa 24 ka, diyan ka sa 20s. So, yung anak ko nasa 20s. So, dito ako. Kasi, pwedeng from 21 yan up to 29. So, ito, 30 hanggang 39. Okay, 40, ayan, 40 hanggang 49. Ganyan po yan. So, since na 23 siya, dito ako. Okay, and then, what is your height? So, ano ang height niya? 5'9". Okay, so 5 feet and then 9 inches. Okay. Yan. And then, next. So, nako, magkano? Hindi ko alam ang weight niya. So, mag-assume na lang tayo na nasa, kung ilang pounds, kung ilang kilograms. So, pipiliin mo yan. So, kung ano, assuming nasa 1, lagay lang natin, 130. Okay, and then next. And then, how active are you? Okay, kung nag-gym ka, every single day, pwede mong ilagay na very active. Kung hindi ka nagwo-walking, hindi ka nag-gym, hindi ka nag-exercise, not very active. Kung may mga days, halimbawa 3 times a week, ilagay mo moderately active. And then, after how many hours per week do you exercise? Okay, mamili na tayo. Less than an hour, 3 to 5 hours per week. Per week po ito ha. 1 to 3 hours per week, 5 to 7 hours per week, or more than 7 hours. Okay, sabihin na natin na siya kasi daily. Okay, 5 to 7. When you exercise, how hard do you do? So, gaano ka-intensive yung pag-exercise mo? Nagbubuhat ka ba ng barbell? Yan, or walking lang? Is it very light? I push my limits or moderately hard? Okay. So, ito very intensive to. Ayan, so, moderately hard siya. When not exercising, do you often have shortness of breath? So, ibig sabihin, pag hindi ka nag-exercise, ikaw ba ay kinakapos ng paghinga? Yes or no? Ito yung pag ano ka ha, at rest ka when not exercising. So, kahit hindi ka nag-exercise, kinakapos ka ba? Do you have high blood pressure? So, chine-check na ngayon. So, we are coming to the stage of the interest. Bakit interest? Kasi you are trying to figure out sa sarili mo kung ina-assess mo din na, oo nga, nahihirapan ba akong huminga? O kaya mataas ba ang blood pressure ko? Baka i-check mo pa yung blood pressure mo bago mo sagutin to, no? Ayan, so kung sure ka naman na hindi or hindi mo alam kung blood pressure or low blood ka, then you write, I don't know. Okay, and then have you been diagnosed as a diabetic or pre-diabetic? Yes or no? Ayan. No. Do you have a family history of heart disease? So meron ba sa family history nyo ang nagkaroon na cardiac arrest, may problema sa heart, may arrhythmia, may, ayan, anything related to heart disease? So just answer yes or no. And then, do you poo every day? So are you defecating? Nagbabawas ka ba every single day or constipated ka every other day, every 3 days, every 5 days? Ayan. We know this is a weird question, but metabolism plays an important role in regards to health. So napaka-importante ito, no? Yan, no. Ay, yes pala. Okay. Do you suffer from a low appetite? Kumusta naman ang appetite mo? Lagi ka bang ganadong kumain o hindi? Or depende depende sa ulam. Ayan, so ano naman, do you suffer from a low appetite? No. Ayan, kung okay naman yung pagkain mo, ayan. Do you wake up often to urinate? Ayan, makikita mo ngayon yung routine mo. Ilang beses kang umihi sa gabi? Very frequent ba? O pag tulog mo and then paggising mo ng umaga, yun na. So, madalas ba? So, madalas ka bang umihi? Or ano ba to? Madalas ka bang magising para umihi? I'm sorry. Yan, so no. How are your typical energy levels? Ayan, so ito, kinukumusta yung energy mo. Ano ang energy mo during the day? So, i-analyze mo ulit yung sarili mo. Lagi ba akong pagod? O ako yung hindi makatulog? Night owl. Tired during the day, then can't get to sleep. So, pagod ka sa araw, pero pagdating ng gabi, hindi ka naman makatulog. So, night owl yon. Afternoon slump. Yan, stable energy throughout the day. Yan, kung antukin ka sa hapon, yan. So, stable throughout the day. Throughout the day. Yan. Okay, so do you eat a lot of sweets? Ayan. Ikaw ba ay matakaw ng chocolates? Kain ka ba ng cake? Lahat ng matatimis, hinahanap mo ba? Okay, so kung rarely, ibig sabihin madalang, paminsan-minsan. Ibig sabihin pag rarely, ito yung siguro once a year, ganun. Sometimes, mas frequent ng konti ito as compared sa rarely. Or, yes, I have a sweet tooth. Yung makakita ka ng chocolate or nagkikrave ka ng chocolate, ayan, yes. So, sometimes, yung anak ko sometimes, no? Ayan. So, coach, pahingi na lang ng recording. Yeah, sure. Okay. Ayan. How much protein do you consume each day? Ayan. So, kung hindi kayo sure kung how much ang protein na kinokonsume nyo at hindi nyo minimeasure, then just say, I have no idea. Okay? And then, do you often crave carbs? Carbohydrates. Ano ba yung mga food na rich in carbohydrates? Bread, rice, burgers. Yan. So, research nyo kung matakaw kayo sa carbohydrates. I think my son, yes. Okay, do you eat canned goods? Ayan, mahilig ka ba sa mga ready to eat? No? Yan. Yes, of course. How much water do you drink per day? Ayan. So, pag 6 cups, less than 50 ounces yan. Okay? So, hindi kinakount dito ang soda at alcohol. Water lang. Okay? 50 ounces. Gallon, 50 to 100 ounces. So, this is half gallon, 64 ounces. So, ito, about 6 cups. Yan. So, I think half gallon siya. Ayan. How often do you drink alcohol? Ayan. Kung kayo po ay umiinom ng alak, ayan, more than 1 drink per day, 1 drink per day. Socially, ito yung during occasions lang. Ito, rarely, as in talagang madalang pa sa full moon. Ayan. Socially, ito yung pag may birthday, pag may special occasion, kaya kung every month may nagbo-birthday, then ito yon socially. Pag may occasion, pag rarely, ito yung talagang pag very important. Ba, New Year, yan, once a year, ilagay mo rarely. So, ito socially siya. Ayan, do you smoke cigarettes or vape? Ayan, sa mga nagbe-vape at nagsisigarettes, ayan, tinatanong din yan. Nagbe-vape. How many hours of sleep do you average per night? Tulog, less than 5 hours, 6 to 7, more than 9, 5 to 6, 7 to 9. Ayan, so kung 5 to 6, I think 5 to 6 siya. Are you tired most of the day? Kahit ba wala kang ginagawa, pagod ka? Yes or no? No. Okay? How often do you feel stressed? Gaano ka kadalas ma-stress? Rarely, madalang na madalang. Paminsan-minsan, na-stress ako sa mga bill ko, lalo na pag andyan na si Judith na bumibisita. Ayan, sometimes, often, ayan, yung madalas, ito yung every single day, stress ka. Often, I'm always stressed. Ito naman, mas grabe, I'm always stressed. Kung ito, every other day, ito, every single day. Ayan, so mamili po kayo. Siguro ilagay natin sometimes. Ini-stress siya ng kanyang mama. Pag napapagalitan, ilagay natin stress. Baka na-stress yung anak ko sa akin. Do you currently take any nutritional supplements? Yes or no? O kung wala kang tinitake, no. Kung may tinitake ka, yes. Okay? And then, please check all the supplements you are currently using. So, kung ang ginagamit mo lang multivitamin, then click that. Vitamin D. Yan. I don't think nagtitake siya. Magnesium, yes. And also, protein, yes. Ayan. So, yan yung tinitake niya. Yung tatlong yan. Okay? Collagen, hindi. Aminos, hindi. Ayan. So, yung tatlong yan. And then, kung may other, gumagamit siya ng creatine. So, other products pala. Yan. And then, next. Are you currently taking any prescription medication? Halimbawa po, meron kayong mga maintenance. Yan. Yes or no? How often do you participate in activities with others? Yan. Kung meron kayong mga gigs, mga tropa-tropa, yan. Sometimes, most days, rarely to never. Sometimes. Okay, do you often feel lonely or isolated? Malungkutin ka ba? Kahit na hindi nakakalungkot. Diba? Yan. No, he's always happy. Do you live within a mile from a golf course or highway? Kinakount pala yun, ano? So, yes. Do you have an attached garage with a car parked in it? So, meron bang garahe outside, dyan sa iyong malapit sa bahay na may nakapark na car? Yes or no? Okay, do you have exposure to hazardous materials at work or at home? So, halimbawa, halimbawang nasa utility ka or ano ba yung tawag doon? Sa mga services ka, exposed ka ba sa work mo? No? Yes or no yan? Okay? No? What best describes you? I can't get bigger or gain muscle. Nahirapan akong lumaki or mag-gain ng muscle kahit na anong buhat ang gagawin ko. I am skinny fat. I look slim in clothes, but I do have body fat. I'm happy with my body, but need to lose one last layer of fat. I am not happy with my body and want to lose a serious amount of weight. So ito siya. Dito, I'm happy but need to lose one last layer of fat. Ayan. And then we want, ito na yung last question, no? So dito, we want to help you absolutely crush your goal, but it's only going to work if you are committed. So hinihingi na ngayon yung commitment mo. I don't know. I think I am ready. It's time I'm ready. So mini-measure ngayon kung gaano ka committed in case na bibigyan ka ni Doc Ryan ng recommendations. So now, diba, tapos na tayo dun sa awareness and then sa interest kasi engage na tayo. Now we are coming up with a decision. What is that? Ito na yung stage na yon. So, mini-measure ngayon, ano yung commitment mo? Are you ready na i-commit ang sarili mo if we have some recommendations with you? So, makikita mo ngayon gaano ka-commit yung iyong prospect, your prospective customer. Okay, so if you are ready, really, really ready, then it's time I'm ready, I think. Kasi ditong I think, sa tingin ko. So, hindi siya 100% sure, di ba? Pero, ito, mas strong yung statement, it's time I'm ready. Ibig sabihin, wala siyang pag-aalinlangan. So, mas committed ito. Okay? It's time I'm ready. Now, how quickly do you want to achieve your goals? Tinatanong. Slow and steady, as fast as possible, somewhere between the two. Siyempre tayo, ang gusto natin, somewhere between the two, right? I'm sorry, as fast as possible. So, dito tayo. Siyempre, we take action, di ba? Let's get things done as fast as possible. Yan. And then, ito na. So, ito na yung sinasabi ko po na dito yung data mo, collective data. Kung hindi ka affiliate, tatanungin yung first name, fill upan mo yung first name and last name, and your email address. So, ibig sabihin, nakuha mo na ngayon yung data. Pero ang sinasabi dito, di ba yung mga iba ayaw ibigay ang email. Ang sinasabi dito, this device is currently logged into account. O, so, nakikita, ayan, to continue as this account, fill out the form below. So pag affiliate ka na at meron ka nilagay na email address, ito na yung niya, user ID. So ito yon, pag affiliate kayo makikita, no? So pwede po itong gawin nyo sa sarili nyo, please, bago nyo i-send para mas effective kayo as a sponsor and mas reliable kayo, no? Ayan, and then after that, so ito na yung stage ngayon na kinukulit mo yung data ng iyong ng iyong prospect indirectly, hindi niya alam na pupunta yan sa iyo. And then ito na, congratulations on taking the first step to a healthier you. Yan, you're ahead of the game. Now it's time to dive into your personal and health report. So andito po ito, at the same time i-email ka ni Live Good. At pag na-email ka, automatic yung prospect mo mag-a-appear na ngayon sa my referrals mo. And then click get my results. Ito na. Okay, so nakalagay na yung kung ilang taon ka, name, ilang taon siya, nasa 20s. Overall health score is 66 over 100. Ano ang sinasabi nito? Based on your responses, your health score is 66. This is good news for 2 reasons. It means you're taking action early to get a head start on your goal before your conditions get worse. And number 2, so sinasabi na niya ano yung relevance ng score mo. There's a lot of room for improvement to achieve your goals and we're excited to get you there. So makikita mo the script that being sent here, makikita na you are showing concern. I mean, Live Good is showing concern. So, ito na, yung body mass index niya, 19.20. So, mataas pa yun. Having a high BMI can put your body at a much higher risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, joint problems, respiratory issues, liver disease, reproductive issues, mental health challenges, even cancer, and a shortened lifespan. You definitely want to make this a focus to maximizing your health, and you're ready to take the first step, which is educating yourself. Now it's time to take action. So, ang ideal weight niya is 152. So, kailangan niyang mag-increase, no? Kasi 130, kailangan pa niya ng another 22 pounds. So, ito yung ideal dapat na weight niya. Maintaining an ideal body weight is crucial or very important for reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, ayan, but will also better physical function, mental well-being, and overall quality. Striving for a healthy weight supports longevity and enhance one's ability to engage in daily activities. Ayan. So, ano sinasabi nito? It will serve as your baseline when it comes to recommending solutions like protein intake, sinasabi na niya, hydration goals, so kailangan niyang mag-hydrate, and factors in each assessment. So, napakaganda, di ba? Ayan, okay. Are you loving it? Ayan, so exercise and activity level, moderate siya. So sinasabi din kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng moderate na result mo. Ayan, so correlation between activity level and overall health. In simple terms, the more active you are, the healthier you are. If you are serious about taking your health to the next level and achieving your goals, increasing your activity level has to be a priority. So, kailangan, kulang pa yung ginagawa niya na exercise. Tapos, may pro tip pa siya. Pwede kang sumali sa gym, pwede kang mag-yoga, pwedeng spin in a great way to get fit and enjoy. Ayan, find a gym and sign up today. So, ayan, may suggestion. We need at least 150 minutes. Ito pala yon. Ang suggestion niya kay Hans, dapat 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity like walking or biking throughout the week, or 75 minutes of high-intensity workout. So, ilagay, exercise is a must. Yan. Heart health, kumusta naman? 15. So, very good. Yan. Tapos, sinasabi kung ano ang maganda, ano ang relevance ng heart natin. Yun yung lifeline ng body natin, pumping oxygen and nutrients to every cell, organ, tissue, and muscle that we have. Ayan. So, pag may heart disease ka, yan, being the #1 cause of death in the world, not making our heart a priority can lead to devastating health consequences. Ayan, so may suggestion siya. Tapos sinasabi dito kung at risk ka ba sa diabetes, low, medium, high. So ibig sabihin, pag ang score mo nasa high, at risk ka sa diabetes. Okay, so ito yung recommendation ni Dr. Ryan Goodkin sa yung heart. Ayan, merong organic super greens. Diba? Ito naman, sa diabetes, since low ang score mo, pero kailangan mo pa rin ng magnesium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids para ma-maintain yan na score mo. O, diba? And then, sa metabolism mo, good din. May mga suggestions din siya. And then, meron uling recommendation. Ano kaya ang recommendation niya kahit na good ang iyong metabolism? So, ito, vitamin D3, K2, super greens, chlorophyll, zeolite detox, and healthy coffee dahil merong green tea extra. Ayan, okay? And then, sa sleep, nako, 5 to 6 hours lang ang sleep mo. Sabi niya, it plays a role in nearly every aspect of our lives. Yan, ano ang suggestion? If you need help sleeping, high quality CBD oil. Ayan, nagsasuggest na naman siya ng CBD oil. Ang hydration level niya very low, so it is not enough, no? Yung half gallon na iniinom. Okay? So kailangan mo ng, since ang ideal weight mo is 152 pounds, kailangan mong uminom ng 76 ounces of water per day. And if you're drinking soda or other unhealthy drinks loaded with sugar, tanggalin mo, sabi niya, and replace them with water. Now, we have the hydration amplifiers, no? To complement the water that we drink. Yan. And your results will be much faster. Meron siya uling pro tip. Get 1 gallon water bottle. Fill it in the morning and drink it throughout the day. So, kailangan mo ng 1 galon para i-monitor mo. Kailangan maubos mo yon within the day. Yan, to keep you on track. Okay? Yan. So, dapat pala 1 gallon, ano? Hindi half gallon. Okay? Suggestion. Sometimes water alone is not enough to hydrate our cells. A hydration amplifier with electrolytes taken once a day can also improve your... Yan, nagsasuggest na naman siya. Ito, protein. Mababa ang protein intake niya kasi hindi niya alam. So, probably kung hindi niya alam, nasa less than 50 grams yan. Okay, so sinasabi din, ano ang relevance ng pagtitake ng protein? It is essential for building and repairing tissues throughout the body and maintaining your lean muscle mass. Okay, remember that one sign of aging is muscle loss. So, kailangan i-maintain natin yan. No? Ayan. So, sabi nito, such as, additionally, it plays a crucial role. Pag sinabi mong crucial, very important role. No, such as enzyme production, immune system support, hormone regulation. So, kailangan mag-take tayo ng 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So, if you weigh 180 pounds, for example, you should be consuming 180 grams. Okay? Meron akong sukatan dyan. So, meron uling nire-recommend si Doc Ryan. Ano yan? 1 scoop of Live Good Complete plant-based. Diba? Ayan. Okay. Stress level. Naku, medium ang stress level niya. O, ito pa pala ang suggestion dun sa protein, ano? So, food like meats, beans, nuts, and eggs are high in protein. So, mataas sa protein yung mga yan. Often, a high-quality protein supplements with 220 gram of protein per serving can help you meet your daily goals. Stress level, medium. Medyo medium. Tapos sinasabi na ang stress pala, especially when it's chronic, can weaken the immune system. Kaya shout out sa mga laging stress. Ayan, sinasabi dito, nakakapagpababa ng immune system. Kaya pag mababa immune system mo, mas susceptible tayo sa illness and, of course, it can exacerbating existing health conditions. Tapos, additionally, anong sinasabi niya? Pag mataas daw ang stress level mo, nalilink yan sa increased risk of mental health disorders such as anxiety, depression, cardiovascular problems, heart disease. So, kailangan ang stress natin is under control to maintain a healthy body. Ayan. Okay, ang dami ang daming suggestion. Grabe talaga to. Nakaka-amaze itong ating Tapos may suggestion pa siya. Focus on getting 8 hours per night of sleep. Nako, guilty ako dyan. Exercising daily and eating right. All of this can play an important role in regulating your stress levels. So, stress levels, yung regular sleep. And then, ano sinasabi nito? Recommendation niya na high quality CBD oil or kung hindi pwedeng CBD oil dyan sa Pilipinas, organic greens drink and definitely a high quality of magnesium supplement o yung ating magnesium. And then yung social interaction, napakababa. So it is very important din pala na makipag-socialize tayo paminsan-minsan, no, for overall health as it promotes emotional well-being by reducing stress and loneliness. So nakakatulong daw yon para ma-reduce ang ating pagiging malungkutin at para ma-reduce ang ating stress while also fostering a sense of belonging and support. Yan. So, ano ang pro tip niya? You join a community like DMW na laging mataas ang energy, ayan, or any community na alam nyo that would help you, na magre-resonate yung energy ninyo. It's a great way to get fit and enjoy the support of others. Yan, pwede ding gym class. Yan. Okay. Suggestion, ano pa? Join a club in your local area, whether a book club, knitting club, pickleball club. Yan. At church, your entire quality of life improves when you have other people in it. No? So, napaka-importante po talaga ang support system. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. And of course, ano pa suggestion niyo dito? Toxin load, medium. Ayan, nako, exposed siya. Doon sa tinanong kanina na malapit ka ba sa highway? Meron palang bearing yun, ano? O kaya may nakapark ba na kotse dyan sa harap ng bahay mo? Yan, environmental exposure and toxicity is something most of us don't pay a lot of attention to, but could be a serious threat to our health and safety, as it can negatively impact our metabolism, immune system, stress, and cortisol response, and ultimately cause, ayun, so, dapat aware din tayo sa environment natin. So, ano sinasuggest niya ngayon? Try to avoid environments with a lot of pollutants. Try to limit the amount of canned goods food you eat. Nako, sa mga matakaw sa delata. Ayan, okay? Don't microwave plastics and get fresh air often. So my suggestion ulit sa Doc Ryan, which is chlorophyll and zeolite. Your goals, ito na yung goal. Ang goal ni Hans is to build muscle. So sabi niya, congratulations on taking the first step toward achieving your goals. Yan, you're already ahead of 99% of people who never get started. But this is just the beginning. Yan. So ito na yung overall na message ni Doc Ryan. Taking your health seriously is crucial to achieve the vibrant and fulfilling life you envision. Remember, every positive choice you make, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. So ito na yun, no? And then, ayan, kung meron kang questions, ano sabi niya, if you ever have any questions, need advice, or just want to share your awesome result, tignan nyo how very welcoming they are. You can email me, and then Lisa, and then we respond to every email. It's our mission to help you achieve your goals. Let's do this together. O, di ba? Building rapport na yan. So, ibig sabihin, you are having, meron support system dito sa Live Good, no? Na ang formulator, ang director of product development is very open sa mga message nyo. Ngayon, eto na. Dr. Ryan's recommendations for Hans Francis. So, ikiklik natin to, ha? Ayan, pag clinic yan, ayan, ready to build lean muscle. Ayan, your personalized muscle building plan for men. Wow, ayan, no? So, ayan na kaagad. Meron siya, hey there, congratulations. Ayan, so meron.
Hey there, congratulations again on making it this far. The fact that you're here tells me that you're serious about achieving your goal to gain muscle. And let me tell you, that's already half the battle won. But here's the deal. Now it's time to turn that commitment into results. There are 7 key areas we need to focus on to get you where you want to be. Now, 7 things might sound like a lot, but trust me, these are easy, manageable changes that over time will create huge.
Ayan, so ayan, panoorin natin yan, ano? Ayan, get started today. So pag clinic mo yung get started today, let us see. Ayan na. Okay, so ito na. It's either bibili ka o hindi. Ayan, so meron yung dalawang option yan. $69. Ito yung basic pack for building muscle. Meron tayong creatine, meron tayong aminos, meron tayong whey protein for only $69. Order the basic pack. Ngayon, gusto mo naman yung build muscle pack, ito din. Okay, so sabihin na natin, best value. So sinasuggest itong 147 per month. It is now live, naka-live na po ito sa ating back office. Ngayon, pag clinic mo ito, look what happens. Order the build muscle pack. Ayun! Automatic siya. Oh, granted na hindi siya member. Kasi naka-default to eh. Di ba si Hans, ngayon, pag hindi pa siya member, merong nilalagay dito na monthly membership. But since member na siya, i-click nyo lang yan. Ayan, and then, ayan, 147, meron kang member savings na 32.95. Nakita nyo ba kanina yung hindi member, di ba mas mataas, no? Kaya ka pinapa-member ng 9.95 para ma-avail mo yung member's price. Okay, and then check out na or continue shopping. Yan. Okay, so ito na siya, oh. Pupunta na kaagad. Syempre, pag customer, ayan. Okay, ayan. Oh, di ba? Powerful. So, that's it. That's how powerful yung ating health assessment. Oh, di ba? Ayan, okay? So, With that, go out and send your health assessment report site. But you have to do your health assessment first. Ayan. Grabe, the best live good coach. Halos ipamigay na mga company andito sa lahat. Hahatawin mo na lang. Yes, di ba? O, di ba powerful? O, ano tong sinesend Ma'am Ruth based on your responses? O, di ba? Okay, nakakatuwa. Sumasabay pala kayo sa akin, ano? Ayan, at least ngayon alam nyo na kung paano nyo gamitin, no? Tapos na, nasa Zoom ako at work. Yeah. Okay, I'm almost done, Ma'am Pinky. So, ayan. So, very comprehensive yung ating, ano ngayon, demo, tutorial, info session, however you call it. Ayan. So, inaantay ko na i-click mo ang place order coach. Ay, hindi. Yung ano yun, sa anak ko yun eh. Credit wallet ang ginagamit nun. Actually, nag-order na ako nung ano, one for, even hindi pa lumabas yung health assessment pack. Di ba naunang nilabas ng live yung mga for maximum weight loss, tapos yung building lean muscle. So nakapag-order na po ako even before the health. Siguro darating siya by Tuesday. Na-order ko na siya no October 24. Ako naman yung health assessment ko is for weight loss. So ang na-order ko is the 147. Ayan. So thank you so much. So are there any questions? Have you any takeaways po or any feedback sa discussions natin ngayon? Nagustuhan niyo ba yung ating discussion ngayon? So syempre gusto ko ding i-assess yung aking sarili kung okay ba, are you happy with the presentation? Magagalit po ang customer sa mahal ng yun? Ang problem po sa Build Muscle Pack, hindi po recommend sa Philippines kasi lumampas na ng 10,000 expo na po. Singil ng customs as per Coach Ferds. 207 na po ang Build Muscle Pack. Well, meron po yung individual, yan, na recommendation din. Yan. So you could try that. Ate Grems, yes coach, very informative talaga. Thank you po. Yan, perfect learning. Sabi ni Ma'am Juby, Coach Nathan, ang lupit ni Live Good, nandyan na ang lahat. Mas na-appreciate nyo ba ngayon yung ating funnel system? When you have learned this, no? Grabe ang lupit ni Live Good. Opo, talaga. Ang problem sa Philippines, magagalit po ang customer sa mahal ng singil ng custom sa tax. Alam niyo po, dito sa amin may tax din eh. Nakikita kasi na mas mahal dahil po affordable yung production yung natin. So ang gagawin niyo diyan, ma'am, in order for you to solve that, Ma'am Rose, is that, di ba meron yung isa? So pwede nyo, i-try nyo nga i-compute individually, no? Yan. So, o kaya mag-try po kayo. Actually, lahat naman po tayo nagbabayad ng tax. Lalo na po kami dito. Iba po yung shipping, yung tax namin talagang, iba yung customs tax namin kasi nanggagaling din sa US. So, not only Philippines is experiencing that, even po dito sa Canada, mas mataas pa. No? Kahit na malapit po. In fact, maswerte nga kayo kasi dyan sa Pilipinas, if you order the International Wellness Pack, 200 pesos lang. Sa amin, libre nga po, pero covered pa rin kami ng roughly mga ilang percent tayo, Coach Ryan, mga 13 to 15% na sales tax. So ang challenge lang po dyan is the shipping, but then, well, baby company po tayo, so it's normal, no? Ayan. Need ko magbawas ng timbang. Mukhang sumasabay yata kayo sa akin Ayan, need ko magbawas ng timbang from 56.8 to 54. Ayan, Ma'am Evelyn. Yes, Coach, super ganda ng funnel system and many thanks. Ayan, Ma'am? Ayan, Leo. Pet Malulodi talaga si Live Good. Ayan, Sir Leo. Okay, Ma'am Rose. Ayan. Sino to? Leo, ayan, swerte. Power ang bagong funnel, power ang discussion niyo po, Coach. Ayan, okay. So, 13% take taxes yata, yeah, I think 13%, no? Ang laki kaya sa amin. Pati yung wellness pack, libre yung shipping pero ang laki po ng tax. Ayan. So, much appreciated po, Coach Shanna. Thank you. Ayan. So, with that, I think tapos na po ako, not unless na meron po kayong questions. Pero bago po ako magtapos, konting reminders lang po. Of course, this will be your last day ng inyong subscription, no? Hanggang bukas sa inyo. So, sa amin hanggang mamayang gabi. So, with the kind of funnel system that we have, with the kind of marketing tools, sa tingin nyo, pupulsuhan ko lang po, lugi pa po ba tayo sa 9.95 na monthly subscription? Na malalaman mo, sabi mo na lahat ng site mo, wala. Ito na lang. Ito na lang ang i-consider natin. Sa tingin mo, lugi ka ba sa $9.95 monthly subscription sa value ng nakukuha mo? The information na kailangan mong alagaan. Sasabihin sa'yo ni Live Good na alagaan mo ang sarili mo. Diba? Yun. Doon na lang kayong mag-focus. Considering na, huwag nyo na lang i-consider yung retail side and all that. This alone is so valuable. No? Kaya nga, Live Good is the company that makes a lot of sense. Kung hindi nyo nauunawaan yun, then kailangan nyo lalong mag-attend ng Zoom trainings. Kailangan yung mas i-immerse ang sarili nyo. And then, nako, aralin nyo ang Live Good. No? Ayan. Coach, actually for me, not lugi po, sabi ni Ma'am Marie. No, hindi po lugi. Panalong-panalo for me. Ate Grams, hindi po tayo, Coach Janet, kasi libre na tayo sa mga link nila. Diba? Website nga eh. Grabe na amaze ako. Of all the funnels na nakita ko, ito napakaganda. Kasi meron mga funnel naman eh. When you want to be a life coach, may funnel yan, isa-suggest. When you want to do some meditation, may course yan, may funnel. Napakasimple. Dito, grabe, very thorough, very detailed, and makikita mo yung passion ng recommendation sa'yo. Hindi lang sinabi na, oy, kailangan mong bumili ito. Oy, kailangan mo. Sinasabi nito, before ka i-recommend ng product, binibigyan ka ng insight. Bakit? To justify na kailangan mo yung product na yon. Kaya pinerfect nga, kaya tignan nyo July, pero ngayon lang siya na i-launch. It is because Ben always wants na perfect yung funnel before niya ilabas. And he didn't fail kasi na-appreciate natin. So, ito gamitin niyo po ito after, gamitin niyo po ito with every person that you know. Hindi kayo lalabas na mukha kayong sales, not salesperson na nagha-hype or nag-oversell dahil sila mismo ang sasagot ng kanilang mga katanungan based sa health situation nila. May follow-up pa po na personally recommendation sa iyo and maraming value to read about health. Oo, di ba? So, syempre, ano yan? May autoresponder. So, to make sure na are you on track? Okay ka ba? Ito yon. So, nire-remind ka. Yan. Okay. So, with that, I am done with the presentation. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Nako, we didn't expect na aabot tayo sa 2,000. Ayan. And ayan. Sabi ni Brother Roman, I rather use wellness funnel, our health assessment funnel. Ayan. Okay. So, ito pa reminder, syempre yung ating subscription hanggang bukas ng umaga, pwede pa po kayong humabol dyan sa Pilipinas. Again, more value with our discussion today. And then, try to reflect on it. Hindi kayo lugi sa $9.95 or 590 or sabi mo na 600 pesos. Ayan. Okay, so again, sasabihin ko po sa inyo, it is okay to fall out of love, but it is never okay to fall out of the matrix. Our funnel system is very powerful. Use it, maximize it, share it, because sharing is loving, sharing is caring, and that is what Live Good is all about. And of course, may I remind you po, yung ating anniversary is coming up, January 26, 2025. So, sa mga hindi pa nakasecure, ang dami na pong mga nagbabayad. So, wag nyo nang antayin ang last minute at kayo po ang magagalit sa mga nag-organize. Make sure that you secure your spot. You try, please cherish yung ating event next year, no? Second year anniversary po natin to. This is the best time na magkita-kita po tayong lahat, mag selfie, and then of course makikita natin yung upline natin from the US, Sir Jesse Garcia, and of course our grand upline, yung ating pinaka-lolo, no, si Tim Miller. No, i-appreciate po natin yan. What is 2,000 pesos kapalit ng mga memories, kapalit na makakasama mo, makaka-picture mo sa Tim Miller, and of course, i-post mo sa yung Facebook and sasabihin mo na, I have met the first crown diamond in the US, diba? I have met our crown diamond coach Fernan. I have met our grand upline from Chicago, Jesse Garcia. What does it will do to you? You are creating a self-image na alam nila that you are really serious with the business. And when they know that you are serious with the business, ano ang impact noon? Aba, seryoso talaga itong si Mr. Leo Suerte. Sige nga, gagawin ko nga yung negosyo niya, join na ako. Yan ang titignan nyo. Don't look at the amount. 2,000 is, nako po, babalik din po sa atin yan, no? Dapat malayuan ang tingin nyo. Dapat tignan nyo yung moments, yung memories na makikreate natin. And of course, this will be your marketing tool pa rin, no? So, minamarket mo yung sarili mo na nakasama ko si Tim Miller, nakasama ko ang mga diamonds, nakasama ko ang mga crown diamonds, nakasama ko ang mga leaders. So, that is that could create a huge impact, di ba? Ayan, how I wish I can attend, kaso January 7, balik na ako ng Singapore. Oh, ma'am, pwede kang mag-ano ng guest mo kasi open po sa guest ito So, if you are an affiliate at feeling mo wala akong kasama, nahihiya ako, then bring a guest with you. Basta bayaran niyo po yung 2,000. Kaya po yung yung 1,000 po, hindi po problema yun, mauubos po yan, especially na open po sa guest, no? Yan. So, ikaw coach, a-attend ka ba sa anniversary para makita ka na? Opo, a-attend po ako, sir. Surname, ma'am, opo, a-attend po ako. Ma'am Evelyn Pangilinan, thank you so much, Coach Janet, sa napakagandang training. I'm very appreciate you. Thank you again. Ayan, Ma'am Ruth, thank you so much, Coach Janet, for that great info session. Kita kits. Okay, so with that, again, secure your ticket. Secure your position Secure your ticket. So the earlier na makapagbayad kayo, kasi per table po yun, no? So kung gusto nyo magkakasama kayo, then yung mga ka-group nyo, halika na, dito na tayo. Okay, o kaya may kaibigan yung isang leader, o yung, may kaibigan ka po, 3, and then yung isang kasama nyo, 3, o di 3, di ano na yon, 9 na, tapos dagdag na lang ng isa. So ganun po yun para magkakasama po kasi sa isang table. Ayan. Okay, so sis, send me a copy. Sino po itong si Ma'am Samsung? Send me a copy niyan. Galing ganda ng training and digital sa lahat. Ganda ng get up. Ginaya ko lang si si Sir James Arena, just having good vibes, no? Yan. Okay, so with that, ayan, hindi na ako makapagpaalam. Ayan. Ay, si Miss Michelle pala to. Naka-Samsung ka kasi. Yan. Okay, so stop muna tayo. Hindi ko pala na-stop yung So, I don't know kung andito si Coach Fernan, kung magre-remind pa siya since maaga din po tayong natapos. No? Kinover ko na po yung, ba't hindi ko mahanap yung record. Hindi ko na alam i-stop yung record. Ayun pala.